So I've recently joined HP about 3 months ago. I've been a long time in the 3D printing business, and I actually used to work for HP in the CAD/CAM days, the early days. I took a little 18-year break with another 3D printing company, and now I've rejoined HP. And my specialty at HP is going to be vertical market development for production applications. All right, prototyping business is good, and it's going to grow at whatever rate it's going to grow. So if it grows 10 or 15%, that's great. But the machines like the Jet Fusion 4200, it can produce a lot more parts, right? So prototyping alone is not going to absorb that many more parts, so it's production. And now it's actually using engineering plastics. A fraction of the cost, up to 10 times faster, with HP quality machines.
So you've seen it. You know 3D systems technology very well. So I was so impressed by the HP, like the speed and the quality, and combined, and the price. Is that so? Like, is it really like that? Is it really like at least a 10 times bigger order of magnitude? I mean, if it's 10 times faster, it means the market can get 10 times bigger, right?
Right. Well, that's hopefully, but the prototyping market's not going to grow that much.
Right. Not the
people make a certain amount of parts per year, but the new economics. The machine's about half the price of a similar sized machine. It's 10 times faster. The material's about half the price. So the cost per part on a spreadsheet works out really, really well. So it's going to open up a lot more opportunities, and it's going to be an HP quality, production ready machine eventually. First it's going to be prototyping, and they brought me on to help identify the production applications. What do we need to change? What materials do we need? What software do we need? What scanning do we need to put the solutions together?
Absolutely.
And that's what I love. That's like I just talked about. 250,000 parts a day are being printed in medical already.
So I guess that's kind of what the show was trying to do is offer a complete solution for a specific segment. So that's pretty much your job, I guess.
Well, if they've already got the solution and they can do it on their own, good luck. We send them to the sales guys and we sell them 10 machines, and that's great. But a lot of things need either a front end or a back end or post-processing or scanning, and we try to identify the partners involved and then help them put it all together, document a pilot project, and then repeat. So we try to help roll out production equipment in new production applications. And then, these orthopedics, foot orthotics, things that can be made with polyamides.
Absolutely. For now, right?
Yeah, and then, you saw the future. There's some pretty neat stuff.
It looks pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And so how is this show? What do you think of the show? And do you think it's helping you target the specific sectors that you want to bring your solutions to? Or
it's a new type of show, and it's a little bit different style than some others, but if you look up there, green is healthcare, red is consumer, so those are almost the same exact verticals that we're looking at.
Exactly.
Aerospace, automotive, healthcare, consumer, and it's all about the applications in the parts. It's not about the box. And it's along the lines of what we want to do. And of course, the production and the R&D is up the road in St. Cugat. So I think you'll find an awful lot of HP engineers here today learning about the rest of the business that they've been working on quietly for the last few years.
So are you based in Barcelona now?
No, I'm actually in the US.
Oh, okay.
But I'm a direct flight to Barcelona and the west coast of HP and HP Labs.
I've been. What do you think of this Barcelona as a hub? I guess with HP being here, Barcelona can kind of take this role.
Yeah, I actually interviewed at HP Barcelona in 1991 when they moved the division here from San Diego. I was working in CAD/CAM in Hong Kong, and they asked me to come for an interview. And back then, there was a small building in the middle of nowhere. Right, it was all grass fields in '91 up in St. Cugat. But look at it now. It's the largest HP division outside of the US.